Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Java Programming. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is method overloading in Java. So, developing more than one method in same class, provided they have different number of arguments or different sequence of arguments or different types of arguments, then it is called as method overloading, right? And static and final methods can be overloaded in Java, right? And overloading increase the readability of the code. Return type can be different. It is also called as compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. For overloading to happen, inheritance is not mandatory. So let's open our Eclipse IDE and develop more than one method in same class, right? So let's do that. So in previous video, I have talked about what is method overriding in Java. So I have created already polymorphism projects here. So let's create a different package here. First package P2, right? And here let's create a class email, right? Now in this email class, I am going to create more than one method with same name, right? So let's create void email, right? SYSO and pass here message send email. Now let's create one more method with same name, void email, but here arguments should be different, like string email, string attachment. Here pass the message send email with attachment, right? Send email with attachment. Here number of arguments is equal to 0, right? We did not pass any arguments here, and here we have passed one argument. So here number of arguments will be 1. Number of arguments is equal to 1, right? So let's create main method. So create a class type main. Now create the main method. Create the object of email. Email e is equal to new email, right? So let's now you can see object of email is created, right? Let's call the email method, right? So how we can call? Using reference variable dot method name. What is method name? Email. So just type em, press control space bar, enter, right? Here we are not passing any argument. So and because number of arguments is 0, here they are also doing same thing, right? Now here again call email, and here we have to pass the argument string like A, B, C, something like that. Or here we are what we are doing, send email with attachment. So we can do like suppose in my D drive I have created a test dot any png image or pdf test dot pdf. So this is the location where pdf is located in our system, right? So let's run the program and see the output, what it is giving us. This main class we have to run. So let's run the program and see the output. Main, select main, let right click and go to run as Java application. Now you can see it's giving me output send email with attachment, right? So this is the method overloading.